now it's time for some of our top picks. Eric and I have scoured the trade show floor for some of our very favorites.
Now, these state-of-the-art products are definitely not for your grandma's kitchen or bath.
Disgusted by your dingy kitchen drain? Well, now you see it, now you don't. With the new Affluence Seamless Sink, you no longer have to look at those unsightly seams that catch debris and soap scum. Available in several different designs, you can drop in a new sink quicker than you can say seamless. But what you see from the outside isn't the only improvement. The underside of the sink is revolutionary as well. Instead of the clunky separate attachment needed for drains or disposals, the seamless sink is made with a new installation method that hooks on with a snap. A sink that's easy to install and looks great.
The National Association of Kitchens and Baths had a contest called the Best of KBIS 2009, where 17 judges and thousands of attendees voted on the newest and most innovative products.
But before we tell you who won, we want to show you some of our personal favorites that we picked ourselves.
Now, what was your favorite?
Mine was, without question, that Elica glass range hood. So beautiful.
Really?
What about you?
Well, I obviously like the Man Kitchen by Porsche.
Obviously.
Let's go ahead and see what the judges thought.
The gold medal for the Best of Competition award in the bath category, Quick Drain USA.
And the gold medal for the Best of Competition award in the kitchen category, Affluence Seamless Sinks.